Hello everybody. Um, Today we're going to be doing an oil change on a Toro lawn tractor, 15.5 horsepower. Anyways, it's really simple. Plug right here, drain all the oil out of it that you can. Oil filter here. I'm going to move the oil pan to the other side. And after it's done, I'm just going to put oil right in through here. No rocket science. I'm using 10W Toro oil. I got a brand new oil filter for it. So anyways, first you remove this plug.
I found a spider.
Are you hoping?
No, I found a spider.
You found the spider? Did
Yes.
you squish it?
No.
Look, we're gonna do the oil change. So you just get it loose enough so you can twist it with hands or turn it with hands. And there it is. You just set this on the side. Make sure this is cracked open. You drain all the bad oil out of it, huh? Are we gonna drain all the bad oil out of it?
Yes.
Yes.
It's so soft.
It's so soft and black, huh?
It's so yucky.
It's yucky?
Yes.
Oh. So after it stops dripping, or slows down to a slow drip, you just plug this end up. I already wiped the plug. Make sure you wipe the plug from debris and corrosion or whatever else you may find on it. Make it nice and tight. Make sure it's nice and tight so it doesn't blow off, but not too tight so it doesn't strip. There we go. And we're gonna take this oil pan on the other side and take off the oil filter. My oil catching pan doesn't fit underneath of here under the oil filter, so I put a pizza box down to catch the oil so we can bring that out to the dump too. Let it drain, and of course it decides to run, so it's handy to have a paper towel to absorb some of that junk. We're gonna wipe down this area, put a new oil filter on, and put oil in it. So right now I got the new oil filter. I got all this wiped down, nice and spiffy clean, enough. Now I'm gonna add some oil to the oil filter. It's hard to do it with one hand. Hold on. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some oil on this seal. It prevents it from sticking. Then I'm gonna install this. That just gives the engine a little bit of oil to work with. Just make it nice and tight. Fill up the engine with oil. Another thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this old oil in this old oil container, and it's gonna tell me how much oil it had in there. And that's pretty much all there is to an oil change. Hope you enjoy this, found this helpful. Enjoy.